at 21 with your money so far? Retire your mom, cars, lifestyle. What have you done, bro?
I like these questions, bro. Yeah, so my mom doesn't have to work anymore. I paid for my sister's college completely. She wants to be a nurse, so, you know, support that.
Nurse?
Yeah. So.
She's going to change her mind and say doctor.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's not enough. Indians, nah, you can't be no nurse. You got to be a doctor.
It's better, though.
She's happy. She's happy.
Where's your, well, I know you're Indian, but like, where are you guys originally from in the
Well,
States?
I'm actually half Indian, half Pakistani. So,
the enemies.
Yeah, enemies. Bring them together, bro.
Yeah. Are you from the States or Canada?
I'm from the States. I grew up in Tampa.
Okay.
I grew up in Tampa. I moved to Miami about like 2.5 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, different world.
So I've traveled a lot. You know, like I do have like flashy shit, like a nice car and whatnot. I think every like, young guy, like, come on, you got to experience it, right?
At least one time.
At least one time, right? But I spent a lot of my money on traveling. I would say like I solo traveled a lot. I nomaded my first like 2-3 years in business. I preferred.
Really?
All you need is internet connection to run that kind of business. Like
100%.
you're not.
Where have you been?
Oh, dude, where I haven't been, bro. All of South America, all around Europe. Yeah, I've been Bali.
Of course.
Bali.
They all go to Bali, bro. Or Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai.
Well, it was the only
Dubai's
place
fun.
that was open during COVID was Bali and Mexico.
Yeah, 100%.
It's like the only places that didn't get shut down at all.
Hey, when are we going to travel, bro?
Tulum and shit. Bro, you know I hate traveling. Come on, man.
I mean, we need to.
Frank.
Hold on. He's 21. He's seen more than us.
Hey. Yeah, bro, but you know.
We need to
I
explore
mean, you
the
can
world.
travel, nigga. I hate traveling. You know.
Come on, man. Be fun. Let's vlog it.
We got to strip. Nah.
He said, nah.
Nah, man. I hate traveling, bro.
Okay, well.
Yeah, fucks with our, well, for me, it fucks with my streaming schedule.
True. But like, okay, so Bali, Dubai.
Bali, Dubai, all over Europe, Eastern Europe
But that's
too.
the freedom you get
Yeah.
with this, guys. Like,
What's the best place you've been to, in your opinion, to live?
To live? Miami. Miami is the best to live.
See?
I think Miami is the best to live.
Me too.
I think everyone goes through phases though. And a lot of people want, like right now, Miami makes sense for me. I'm young, I'm single, you know, I'm in the whole money shit. It's fun.
I think Dubai's better if I had to pick.
It's boring.
Because it's clean and safe.
It's boring.
See, I agree. I'm just too American for it. That's the issue.
No, you know why? Dubai is amazing, but it's just luxury in the desert, bro. There's no culture behind it. No, deadass. All my friends, like, went there, they left. You know, a couple of, I don't say their names, but like, they all left.
But I mean, I like it for the safety. It has all the shit that Miami has without the danger. It's literally a cleaner and safer Miami.
I mean, we're pretty safe here.
With
bro.
no black people.
Hello,
No lie? Like, bro. Yeah, I mean, there's no niggatry in Dubai, man.
Dubai's cool.
So
I don't want to live there, though. It's too many whores, bro.
yeah. I mean,
It's all escorts.
no,
Yeah, it's all
tax
escorts,
benefits.
bro.
That's my biggest complaint actually with the UAE.
You know what they say? I do real estate. Okay,
But you can't be on the Palm. If you're on the Palm, that's where they're all at. But if like you're like in a regular area, it's not all escorts.
They travel, bro.
No, of course they do, but it's like
And they're all on the dating apps. It's scary, bro.
Dubai is the only place I walk in an elevator. I see like escorts. I see sheikhs. I see like a mom and a son. It's like all in one elevator.
Yeah,
it's
bro.
like it brings them together, bro.
Yeah.
It's kind of heartwarming.
it's like a don't ask, don't tell. It's a don't ask, don't tell policy.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's. I think for the safety alone, I think it's superior for raising a family. But young guy, I can see why Miami is better.
Okay, so if you can go back in time, would you change anything about your life so far?
Oh man. I was trying to get into NFTs at one point in my career, and it distracted me from ecom. I think that's one thing that I think I would want to remove if I could in my past. Because the thing is, I always tell people this too. I know a lot of people that might be watching this are now contemplating getting into dropshipping, getting into what I do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Do what you're currently doing. Right. So if you have an agency, if you're trying to start a podcast, if you're trying to do crypto and you've put time, money, and energy into that one thing, just do that. Right. Like, don't get like the girl in the red dress theory. I don't know if you know that, but it's like every time the girl in the red dress goes by, you look. And
You look.
Yeah. So focus. Right. Because the only reason that like a retard like me can make this much money is because I stuck in one industry for a long enough time. Right. So I don't want people to get distracted. I never wanted
It's just
to.
for the riches.
Yeah.
And look, that's very transparent of you to say, look, guys, this might not be for a lot of y'all. Like, if you already do something, do that. Make money there. Like, don't even buy my shit. I mean, hey, man, just transparency. Respect that.
But I think nowadays, with what's happening with the economy, if you don't have an actual plan, this could be a plan.
yeah.
100%,
It
dude.
definitely could be.
That's why
I
we do
mean-
Money Mondays.
With low startup.
Different topics, different genres you can hop into. Once you have a focus, it works.
100%. I think everybody in today's day and age needs to have a plan. Especially if you're working a 9 to 5, bro. You're getting cucked, bro. You're just watching another man get rich. You got to
And you
start
mentioned
something.
it, brother. You mentioned AI. It's coming very fast and very hard. Pause.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm gonna walk
as you guys know, like that's not even. Here's the thing. I think it's very important people understand this because you know, as you guys know, I do a lot of political commentary. And JD Vance, basically, the reason why he got selected as vice president by Donald Trump was because of his tech connections. Peter
Exactly.
Thiel, Silicon Valley, etc. Bill Ackman, all these guys who are lifelong Democrats, Obama supporters, Hillary, came in and switched their tune. Why? Because Trump promised to deregulate tech. That's why Elon Musk got on board. So that's why cryptocurrency is getting favored. So for everybody, you know, that's like wondering, like, oh man, you know, fuck AI, fuck tech, like, you know, I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. It's coming.
There's no going back.
It's literally coming. Like, pause. It's it is going to be the future of cryptocurrency, deregulation, AI.
Even business. You just saw what he said? Even creators. Oh, you're a creator? In 5-10 years, it may not be the same.
100%, dude. 100%.
Companies are getting smarter too.
Yeah.
Just understand, guys, that like it's gonna, with this presidential administration, it's gonna be expedited.
Yeah, and I think like that's the thing I wanted to talk about AI because we're doing a lot of it now, and it's not by like I'm not trying to make it sound like flashy and shit. That's the truth. Like we use it.
It's a fact.
It's a fact now, bro.
You can't stop it.
You can't, and you better hop on the train. That's what we did.
Bro,
we hopped on the train.
You know what's scary? Girls nowadays are not using Google for assistance. You know what they use? ChatGPT. Where to live, how to dress,
Grok,
how to lose weight. It's all. And I'm like, wait, what about your man? Oh, I don't have a man. I have ChatGPT. What the fuck is this shit? But it's true. AI is the way to go, bro.
Yeah,
Right
AI,
now.
AI is pulling more bitches than me, bro.
Hey man, that's
Listen,
fuck these
Samir,
hoes.
you dropped the sauce today, bro. Glad I met you. Awesome guest.
Likewise, bro.
The guys here got a lot of value as well.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Zoom call
right now.
where you guys can literally, you know, he's gonna, you know, go deeper. Do you want to read chats and then?
Chats and then
Okay, and then we'll
last
switch on
thoughts.
over to Zoom.
Yeah.
So
And all of his stuff is in the description, by the way, guys. We're going to put his YouTube, Instagram, all his social
there.
media. We'll put that in there. Go check him out, man. Really humble guy. Did this nigga said, did this G buy any Snap soap and deodorant with the income he made?
too much, bro.
Well, I can tell you this. I think he did because he doesn't stink.
Yeah,
Thank you,
he was
bro.
pretty good.
Yeah, he did.
Pause.
Nigga, damn. What the hell?
For a G, he smells good, bro.
But I don't smell anything. I think that's the objective.
No, I said, but I'm just making sure that they know why. Okay?
Bro, this guy, man.
Nigga, what? You don't talk to
Yo.
You don't talk to
Hey,
nigga.
what the, bro? What's the last time I said another nigga smell good, man? All right, what's up next?
Thanks, dog.
W. Latta went from trapping and scamming grandmas at the Microsoft call center for quality assurance to Slumdog Millionaire. Let's go.
Slumdog Millionaire.
Let's go.
Slumdog Millionaire.
Yeah. I knew the jokes were gonna come in, man. Hey, right, now you're gonna have to spray the whole studio with deodorant.
Sound like chaos.
Luckily, I don't, bro. Luckily, I don't.
Thank you, bro.
This is rare.
That's funny, man.
Who's up next?
I think this one's serious. It's $50.
Okay.
Dr.
Are
Spark.
there tariffs charged on drops? Dude, this is actually a really fucking good
thank you,
question.
bro. Yeah.
Given what's going on with China, what they got like 125% tariffs. What is how has that affected you in this business?
Yeah, bro. Not that much, bro. Really not that much.
Really?
I thought when it was all happening, like, we're going to have to deal with a lot of shit that I wouldn't be used to. But, like, let's say we got a product for $7 before dropship. Now it's only gotten up to, let's say, like, $8.50, right?
Okay.
And the thing about branded dropshipping, too, I forgot to mention, is we like to...
And these are China products, to be clear, right?
Yeah, these are
Because China
products
be scamming. Like, they'll move it to another country and say it came from there to get around it. But, okay.
That's why I recommended the suppliers I gave earlier, because they don't scam. But, like, for example, with branded dropshipping, we charge a lot more for our products. So if you have, like, a branded website, you can get a product for $7, sell it for, like, $50, right? That's the thing. That's why we're able to consistently make so much money is because we have such a good markup. So even if our cost of goods rise by $1, we're still chilling.
Are y'all so you guys are passing it on to the consumer?
Technically, but we don't. It's not. It hasn't affected
Or you just
us.
keep the prices
Just
the
keep
same?
the price the same.
Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
you don't even buy like $1, $2 that could potentially be tens of thousands, but like you look at it like I'd rather get the volume than
Yeah, rather
increase
get the
price,
volume, 100%.
so that you could be competitive with other people selling the same product.
100%. You got it on the dot. Yeah.
Yo, by the way, I think people might have not caught this, but like, you told us some websites just now, even though dropshipping are amazing. Like just using that for business-wise common sense.
Mm.
That website you mentioned before with the
Which one?
website maker,
Atlas.
Dude, Atlas.
Yeah.
Dude, I used to work at Wix. It would take like at least like 8 to 10 plus hours
Bro,
to do
is
the website.
Wix and Squarespace even still in business?
I don't know how, because with that software, bro, and that actual AI advancement, bro, you don't need
Yeah,
money.
you don't need them
You
niggas.
just make a website, done.
And you don't get banned.
There you go.
Like Squarespace and Wix, they're cucked.
They'll
man.
ban you.
They'll ban you. Like this, you could at least make
So
your own
with
shit.
that information alone, you start business and do whatever you want.
100%.
Fucking amazing, bro.
100%, bro. Yeah.
All right.
Think about this.
I guess think about this.
Samir, where can they find you, bro? And did you study?
I did study, bro. I just studied a lot. But at Samir on IG, and same thing